Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 15th of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Who is the CEO of National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited, NARCL? Which country is set to organize G7 Summit 2021? Who is the author of the book Life in the Clock Tower Valley? Roopsi Airport is located in which state? Name the Indian origin immunologist who has been elected to the prestigious National Academy for Science of United States. Which IIT has partnered with Mobile Payment Forum of India to develop voice-based solution to boost the digital money transaction in India? A real-time digital flood reporting and information management system has been launched in which state? Amazon has discontinued its month-long Prime membership in which country? Which state has become the first state to publish SOP for medical oxygen? Who has been appointed as the new chief humanitarian chief of United Nations? So these were the important quiz questions from the month of May. Let's discuss the answers. So who is the CEO of NARCL? Padma Kumar Nair. Padma Kumar M. Nair. Which country is set to organize G7 Summit? UK. UK is the host for 2021 for G7 Summit. Who is the author of the book Life in the Clock Tower Valley? Shakur Rathod. Shakur Rathod. Roopsi Airport is located in Assam. Name the Indian origin immunologist. His name is Shankar Ghosh. Shankar Ghosh. 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 Okay. Which IIT is IIT Madras? IIT Madras has partnered with Mobile Payment Forum of India to develop voice-based solution to boost digital money transaction in India. Real-time flood is Assam. Assam has launched this information management system. Amazon has discontinued its Prime membership in India. Which state has become the first state to publish SOP? Madhya Pradesh. MP is the first state to publish SOP for medical oxygen. Who has been appointed new humanitarian chief is Martin Griffiths. So this is important question. So these were the quiz questions, and now let's discuss our today's current affairs. NHPC. What is this NHPC? NHPC, National Hydroelectric Power Corporation. National Hydroelectric Power Corporation has signed MOU with which state's Hydroelectric Power Corporation for implementation of 130.1 megawatt Dagmara project. So this is Bihar. So Bihar has signed an MOU with NHPC. BHPC has signed with NHPC. If you talk about Bihar, who is the Chief Minister? Nitish Kumar. Who is the Governor? Fagu Chauhan is the Governor of Bihar, and this comes under Ministry of Power. NHPC comes under Ministry of Power. Who is he? He is RK Singh. RK Singh. Constituency is Ara in Bihar. In Bihar. Bihar itself. So remember this. Which ministry has inaugurated the Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendra at Pragpur in Himachal Pradesh? Pragpur in Himachal Pradesh. So this is Shipping Minister Mansukh Mandavia. The Ports and Shipping Minister Mansukh Mandavia has inaugurated Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendra in Himachal Pradesh. 3D printed mask coated with antiviral agent developed by which city of Maharashtra? So this is Pune. So Pune based this company has developed 3D printed mask with antiviral agent, and it was developed in Pune. And what is this 3D printed mask is called? It is called Virucids. 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 This mask is called Virucids and is developed by Pune based company. Who chaired 44th GST Council meeting? So this is Nirmala Sitharaman. Nirmala Sitharaman has chaired the 44th GST Council meeting for 2021. Naftali Bennett has become the new Prime Minister of which country? So this is Israel. So Israel's new Prime Minister, because Benjamin Netanyahu has stepped down now. And if you remember recently, Israel, they have selected recently their 11th president. 11th president, who is Isaac Herzog. If you remember, Isaac Herzog has been elected as the 11th president of Israel, and now Naftali Bennett has become the new Prime Minister of Israel. And if you talk more about Israel, what is the capital? Jerusalem. Jerusalem. What is the currency? Shekel. Shekel is the currency. And he is 49 years old. 49 years old, became the Prime Minister of Israel, and he also served as the Defense Minister also. Which state has launched Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan? So this is to protect from COVID-19. The Madhya Pradesh government has launched this Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has launched this Abhiyan, and who is the governor? Anandiben Patel. Anandiben Patel is the governor. If you talk about Chief Justice, who is the Chief Justice? MD Rafiq. Mohammad Rafiq is the Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court. And if you talk more about Madhya Pradesh, we have Kanha National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park, Penna, Satpura, Madhav, and Pench, Kuno. Cheetah is coming in this Kuno National Park. Cheetah. And National Chambal Wildlife Sanctuary. National Chambal Wildlife Sanctuary. So these are the national parks: Panna, Satpura National Park, Madhav National Park, Pench National Park, Kuno National Park, National Chambal Wildlife Sanctuary. Recently, they have launched a Mission Gramoday. Corona Warriors Scheme. Corona Warrior Scheme has been launched by the Madhya Pradesh government. India's first electric tractor He's coming up in something in Budni district of Madhya Pradesh, in Budni district. And recently they have launched Mukhyamantri Jan Kalyan Sambal scheme. Mukhyamantri Jan Kalyan scheme. जन कल्याण स्कीम. एक जिला एक शिल्प. एक जिला एक शिल्प is a Madhya Pradesh government scheme, and recently they have launched Ahar Yojana. What is this Ahar Yojana? Provide free food for the poor, giving free food to the poor. This is Ahar Yojana. And recently they have launched Mukhyamantri COVID Upchar Yojana. कोविड उपचार योजना. मुख्यमंत्री कोविड उपचार योजना. And recently they have decided to give 5,000 rupees to the children as monthly pension, those who have lost their parents in this COVID-19. And cheetah is coming in Kuno National Park. Cheetah is coming in Kuno National Park. And recently they have launched latest one, Ankur scheme. Remember this. Ankur scheme has been launched by Madhya Pradesh government. So remember these points regarding Madhya Pradesh. Which among the following has won the Pulitzer Prize? So this is Megha Rajgopalan. Megha Rajgopalan has won the Pulitzer Prize for the year 2021. If we talk more about the prizes, we have International Booker Prize. Booker Prize. Who has been awarded? David Diop. David Diop has received this award. Templeton Prize has given to Jane Goodall. Jane Goodall has received this award. World Food Prize, very very important. World Food Prize, those who solved the problem for the food, they will receive this award. World Food Prize has given to Shakuntala Harakse. Shakuntala Haraksingh. And recently one more, again very important, UNESCO's Guillermo Cano Award. Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom. This award has been given to Maria Ressa. Maria Ressa has received this award. So remember 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 prizes. Which among the following bank has topped in terms of loan and deposits growth for the financial year 2021? So this is Bank of Maharashtra. So Bank of Maharashtra has topped in the terms of deposit. How much amount? Amount is rupees 1.07 lakh crore. 1.07 lakh crore, which is approximately 13.45% increase. 13.45% increase compared to last year. And who is the second? Second is Punjab Sindh Bank. Punjab Sindh Bank, which is around 67,000 crore. And this is second top. First top is Bank of Maharashtra. So very very important. Bank of Maharashtra is based in Pune. Its headquarters is in Pune. Punjab National Bank headquarters is in New Delhi. SS Mallikarjun Rao is the CEO of PNB. SBI chairman is Rajneesh Kumar. Mumbai is the headquarter. Mumbai. Canara Bank, Bangalore is the headquarter. Lingam Venkat Prabhakar is the CEO of Canara Bank. So remember all these points regarding banks. Harry Mari Dondra has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? So this is Central African Republic. Central African Republic has a new Prime Minister, and the name is Henry Mari Dondra. What is the capital? Capital is very important. Capital is Bangui. Bangui. If you talk about the president, who is the president? Faustin Todera. Faustin Todera is the president of Central African Republic, and Henry Mari Dondra is the new prime minister of the country, and the capital is Bangui. So remember this thing. What was the target year set to eliminate AIDS at United Nations General Assembly? United Nations General Assembly high level meeting on AIDS. So this is 2030. So recently they have set a target to set eliminate AIDS by 2030. Who has been appointed as the Chief de Cabinet to the President of 76th United Nations General Assembly? So he is Nagaraj Naidu. Nagaraj Naidu has been appointed as the Chief de Cabinet to the President of 76th United Nations General Assembly. Padma Shri awardee Ashok Panagria passed away. He is related to which field? So Padma Shri awardee Ashok Panagria is related to medicine. So he has received the Padma Shri award in medicine. He has received the Padma Shri award in medicine. So remember this important one. What is the theme of World Day Against Child Labor, which was observed on 12th of June every year? So this is Act Now End Child Labor. Act Now End Child Labor is the theme of World Day Against Child Labor. So these were the current affairs of 15th of June. See you on 16th of June.